Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Dr. Robotnik from the Sonic movie. Mostly the way he's going to look like in number 2. It's going to be like a headshot of Jim Carrey as Dr. Robotnik with the goggles on. And that's it. Okay, it's going to be a walkthrough. It's going to be for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you're going to be able to do this. And it's going to be roughly about 8 to 10 minutes. Really simple stuff, I think. But I'm going to walk you through it all the way. So let's get started, all right? Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe. I post 3 times every single weekday. If you like learning how to draw in general, just like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe right now and click the bell notification. We're trying to hit 200,000 subscribers here by the end of the year. So let's get going. I mean, it's the beginning. It's like the new year, right? But so it's like the next year. I got like 364 days or something. So let's get started. I'm going to start over here with the circle of the goggle area. It's really just kind of a round shape for a goggle. It doesn't have to be even totally circle. That's one. Go over to this side. Go over here. Just make it relatively close. It can be a little bit smaller because it's going to be in the far back end there. From the top here, curve underneath. Top over here. Curve over the top of the nose, so it's kind of the bottom of the goggle area. I'm going to draw a round shape around here, around the actual goggle. Gonna go over here, do the same thing on this side. And then pull back. Over here. Line, line. Let's go over here to the nose. Up. Curve around the nostril. Or just like another ball around the nostril. Let's go over here to this nostril, okay? And it's gonna curve underneath like that. Doing pretty good. What'd you guys think of the first Sonic movie? I really liked it. I thought it was a little bit too much for kids, honestly. I would have made it for like more of like an upper teens. I thought it was very for young people, but too young. But I still liked it. I really liked it a lot. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna start that giant mustache because that's kind of the. He had that at the very end of the credits of the first one, so it goes out pretty far over here. This side we're gonna go over here, curve over here, so it goes up pretty far on this side as well. And I'm gonna pull it back here at the top. Cross over here. I noticed something about the second movie as far as the trailer goes. They're really pushing into the video game. They're throwing in Tails, Knuckles, and like making Robotnik look just like Robotnik. So I dig that a lot. I'm pretty happy about all that. Gonna go over here to the bottom, and I'm gonna pull the bottom of the chin, curve right here. That's gonna be the side of the and this is really gonna be the chin down here, down over here. Cross up. Go over here. Pull back. He has a smile on his face, so I'm going to draw a line right there. And a line underneath for the open tooth, right? So now I'm going to draw the teeth in there. So 1, 2, 3. Going to go for, draw the underside of the lower lip like that. Forehead. Go to the back of the head over here. Gonna mark the back of the head a little bit, just a little bit, not much. Mark it right there. And I'm gonna draw the ear back there and draw a straight line up for the back of the head. And now I'm gonna basically draw the, his bald head. Go over here. It's this arc right there. Cool. So now let's draw like his outfit. Well, his neck down here first. And line down. He's wearing like a coat, but a lot of it's like jumbled up. So you can draw like a lot of lines just kind of pulling in over here, because he's got like the collar and a coat under that and a coat over that. So you can kind of draw a series of these lines for like collar, and then maybe like another shirt and yet another shirt. I don't know, he has so much clothes on. And then line here for kind of the zipper line. Go to the back here, pulling down, curve forward right here, down over here, out, down, down over here, out, curve down, down over here. For that's his shoulder, right? And there's like the sleeve has its own thing. There's just so many, honestly, these folds. Well, right here, I mean, really, he's wearing a backpack, so it's gonna look like there's more stuff going on. Yeah, pull line here. And maybe you can draw a couple of lines here, like there's some crumpling going on in this coat. He also has like a 5 o'clock shadow, I noticed, because at the very end of the movie he had that. So you can draw stuff like this. Look, see the dots I'm going to draw on his lower chin here? Just see that? And you can draw maybe even little, tiny, every now and then. That 5 o'clock shadow coming out. Oops. And then you can draw the strands in the mustache just a bit. Nothing crazy. And I would use a thin line. See those thin lines I'm using? It has to go with the direction of the mustache, right? Maybe a line above on his forehead here. And then over here we can draw an abstract shape. See that in his lens? And that's pretty much it. That's Dr. Robotnik from the Sonic movie. It's a little bit of a different take on Robotnik. If you want, you can throw like a thicker line around all of it, but I think I'm gonna leave it as is. So, and you can actually draw like a maybe more detail in the goggles here. See how they're kind of going around here. And let's see. Yeah, that's good. I'll just leave it as is. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very, very soon. All right. See you later. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly, highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.